Hello creators, in today's tutorial we'll explore the simple steps to change your password on WriteSonic AI using a web browser. Whether it's for your security reason or just time for a refresh, let's jump right into it. Now, in your home screen, look for the web browser, be it Safari or Google Chrome, whatever suits you. So I'm going to click on Safari at the bottom of your screen. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for WriteSonic AI, and once you see it, click on it. So once you're on this page, you can directly log in by clicking on Login tab, or you can also open the official website to log in. So for that, you need to click on writesonic.com. So once you open the website, this is the first interface that you'll see, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll see sign in tab. Click on it. Now you can sign in with a Google account or with your Apple ID or with your business email. So today I'm going to sign in with my business email, so I'm going to put my business email there, and you can choose any option given below while signing in. Today I'm signing in with OTP, so I'm going to click on sign in with OTP tab. Now a mail has been sent by Team WriteSonic on your mailbox. Look for the mail and copy the code to verify your email address and paste it in the box given on the screen and click on verify. So now this is the first interface that you'll see as soon as you log in. Now go to the profile icon at top right corner of your screen and click on it. Now within account setting, under personal details, you'll find password section where you need to type new password and retype it to confirm it. After doing that, click on create password and then your password will be changed. So you have successfully changed your password on WriteSonic AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and hit that notification bell. Keep your creativity secure and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.